Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundo Bitcoin with a pre-market analysis for today, the 3rd of October 2014. You're watching multiple time frames, beats down price 377 with 60. That's what the price is right now for a Bitcoin. As you can see, this is our multiple time frames, particularly the macro time frames, which are weekly, 3-day chart, daily, and 12 hours. But more important right now is the situation that we see so far intraday, and we're going to talk about that shortly. As you can see, this is another extended trend that it hasn't stopped and is trying to reach the 339 with 79, which is the major support at the moment. As far as I know, sellers are in full control of the situation. However, because we see price building a new support on a particular chart, it's important to know that if the good signals keep coming, we might see a pullback from the price, and particularly buyers taking full control of the situation. But we're gonna see that right now in the next 2 minutes. As you can see, this is the 3-day chart. The price is still at the SMA 200, very nearby. This new lower high might continue, try to penetrate below the 403. Actually, the 365 with 20, which is the latest lower level. And if the price managed to penetrate such an area, there is no obstacles for the price itself to push down towards 339. Obviously, something that it can happen, but so far sellers are in full control of the situation. But it's one thing that we like, that right now it's something attractive to the situation, and is the signals that we see on the daily chart. Look at what's happening so far. Here is a lower high that is already been built. Price needs to penetrate below 365 with 20 to see this particular lower high active and push towards 339. If that doesn't happen, we might experience a sideways trend. And when I'm saying this is because the price is building new supports, particularly double bottom or triple bottom supports, and that's something that we might experience, and that might help to the buyers to establish a new particular trend and start denying lower highs in small time frames, such as 4 hours or 60 minutes and so on. Something that we might have to pay attention to. Here is the 12-hour chart. We took with the 12 hours chart. As you can see, the situation that I was explaining to you, we have support. Is potentially good if the buyers manage to deny this previous retracement. Keep in mind that right now the target for this particular denial is 397 with 75. If price managed to reach that area, we can definitely see more higher lows coming in and potential opportunities for the price to go up towards this area, this congestion, this particular resistance. It used to be a consolidation, now is the new resistance. And here it is, the 4-hour chart. As you can see, there is 1, 2, 3 triple bottom tail, good for business, and it might bring good opportunities down the line. And last but not least, here is intraday. Look at the divergence between the SMA 200 and the price. That could be the target intraday. But obviously, first we need to deny all this particular congestion. Obviously the graphic is quite, got a lot of dust. That's what we said. But obviously we have to deny this congestion and then go for this lower high. If the price managed to deny this particular area, then we might see the next higher low could be a potential opportunity, obviously, to go in and try to deny this other lower high. Price will try to absorb, buyers will try to absorb all this congestion, this particular resistance, and the next higher low will try to reach 391. The opposite, the bearish hypothesis, obviously, if all these efforts from the buyers at this point get denied with big volume from the sellers, and they basically deny this particular pullback, and once again the price will try to reach these other supports, which are right now the main target for the sellers. But so far buyers are fighting right now, so keep an eye on it. Good opportunities are right now happening. I'm Lucano, this is Mundo Bitcoin. Have a great day and a very good weekend. See you on Monday. Goodbye.